Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable app lock in Oneplus Nord CE2 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings. Then you need to go on privacy. Then choose app lock from here. Then enable the app lock. Now we need to click settings. Set the privacy password. I choose 123456 in default. You can choose your own password. You need to answer the security questions. I choose A and click OK. Now you need to select the apps you want to hide. If you want to hide Asphalt 9, enable that. Also Battleground India and click Chrome. So if we come back, now we open the Asphalt. It's asking for password. Need to enter your password or fingerprint or face unlock to enter the app. So if you want to disable that, then go again to the app lock, then enter your identity, then disable the lock. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.